And the big controversy on the day of polling for the second phase of elections is the debate around the Muslim quota. Now, the move of giving quota to Muslims in Karnataka has become a milestone around the Congress's neck. Unsparing attacks from BJP have escalated the heat on the Congress party. Addressing a rally in Bengal's Malda, Prime Minister Modi said that the Congress party wants to rob the reservations of the SCs, the STs and the OBCs. Home Minister Amit Shah took the attack further, stating that the Congress wants to run the country as per the Sharia law. BJP chief also came in. JP Nadda chided the Congress, saying that former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's statement shows that the Congress is habitual of robbing the rights of the OBCs and giving it to the Muslims. Listen in.
कांग्रेस पार्टी एससी, एसटी और ओबीसी के आरक्षण पर भी बड़ा डाका डालने की तैयारी कर रही है। कर्नाटका में जहां कांग्रेस की सरकार है, वहां कांग्रेस काफी पहले ओबीसी के आरक्षण में सारे मुस्लिमों को हिस्सेदारी दे चुकी है। यानी संविधान के जो हक एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी के लिए सुरक्षित है, उसे ये लोग धर्म के आधार पर बांटने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। अब कर्नाटका मॉडल कांग्रेस पूरे देश में लागू करना चाहती है।
कांग्रेस के घोषणा पत्र में पर्सनल लॉ को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे, ये बात की। राहुल गांधी जी पर्सनल लॉ की बात करते हैं, वो देश को खंड खंड तोड़ने की बात है और शरिया के आधार पर क्या देश चलेगा।
दिसंबर 2006 को प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह ने कहा था, और मैं याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि वी विल हैव टू डिवाइस इनोवेटिव प्लान्स टू इंश्योर दैट माइनॉरिटीज, पर्टिकुलरली द मुस्लिम माइनॉरिटी, आर एम्पावर्ड। मनमोहन सिंह जी ने यह बयान गलती से नहीं दिया था, बल्कि जानबूझकर दिया था, क्योंकि अप्रैल 2009 में फिर से मनमोहन सिंह ने फिर अपने बयान को सही ठहराया। कांग्रेस की एससी, एसटी और ओबीसी के अधिकारों पर डाका डालने की यह आदत बहुत पुरानी है।
Now, the BJP is mounting the attack on the Congress. They have posted another statement of former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, and this is from the year 2009, when Manmohan Singh said that poor Muslims should be given priority on the nation's resources. Take a look.
I did not say the same thing. I said minorities, particularly the Muslim minorities, if they are poor, they have prior claims on the resources of the country. I use the word all for all minorities, and I added for layer, particularly Muslim minorities, if they are poor, they have a prior right on the resources of the country. I stand by that.
Now, remember, this also comes after data submitted that Karnataka Backward Classes Welfare Department, all castes and communities within the Muslim religion have been added to the state list of backward classes, to which the National Commission said that Siddaramaiah-led government was taking away the rights of other backward classes through the move. Now, as the heat intensifies on the Congress government, the Karnataka government has refused the charges leveled by the Bharatiya Janata Party. And what have they said? They have said that this is blatant lies and the BJP should not use such diversionary tactics. Listen in.
This is not the issue. They are from past 10 years, they are ruling the country. Now why they are talking about all these things, I don't know. They have to tell to the people of India what work they have done from past 10 years, how it will help to the people of India and Karnataka. They are not speaking on that issue. They are speaking in a different language, different things. So this is not the correct way to campaign. We are in a democratic setup. We are a secular country. Each and every fellow is been important here.